Don't you just want to jump from edit to edit in Avid without going into trim mode? I sure do. I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to the top and click File. Then click Settings, and then the User tab. Click on Keyboard, either the first or second one. The keyboard layout will open up. Click Command 3, and the command palette will open. Make sure button-to-button reassignment is clicked. The most common buttons used for jumping around the timeline are A and S, so let's change the defaults. Click Go to Previous Event and drag it to the A. Then click Go to the next event and drag it to S. There's one more thing to change. So let's go back to Settings and the User tab. Then hit Composer, then go to the Move tab. This is key. Click Ignore Track Selectors. Then close the Setting, Keyboard, and Command Palette windows. Now you can jump around the timeline using the A and S keys without going into the trim mode. Happy editing!